Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia Jones. In today's video we're gonna do a real quick tour of the room at Planet Hollywood. So yeah, so when you come in, you got this right over here. It's not a big room, but I don't need a big room. So you come in, the bathroom's over here to the left. You got shower, which I will be taking a shower with my sandals on because I do not like that. You got the tub, bathroom. I love this. I love the separate toilet. This is really nice right here. I love that sink. It's so pretty. Oh, little model art. Then you got the bed over here. This is the king bedroom. Oh, that's cute. I didn't even see this at first. And then got this over here. I love this. That's cute. And then this is my view, which is freaking amazing. Oh, I don't know why I thought the window went all the way over there, but this is my view. Beautiful view. Right next to Hilton Grand Vacations. Yeah. That is the room tour, guys. Oh, hold on. I'm talking about, yeah. I love this, by the way. That's really neat. Got the safe in here. There's also a drawer. You got the iron and ironing board. The mirror's inside the closet. TV, ice bucket, and then drawers, which I will be unpacking. I'm an unpacker. I like to unpack when I come for vacation. Fridge. Okie dokie. And then you got these over here. Whoa, that drawer stuck. Y'all remember when they used to have Bibles in the drawers? I don't think they do that no more. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for solo trip vlogs. And yeah, I will see y'all in my vlogs.